Well guys, we're pretty happy today. We've got a mess to clean up in here, but I think we finally got the heat and the electric on.
It's almost 50 degrees in the house again though.
Yeah, it is. I was gonna go show them the thermostat. It was reading low. Now we're at 47. Now let's see if we can get some heat on it. Try and get these trees back up.
Everything else is melting.
Everything else is melting. Right. Not too close to it though. It's one of our favorite trees.
Right. That one's next.
This one's gonna be next. I don't know. That one's, I hope we can do something with that one. Wow, everything's falling. Everything looks like a sheet of glass out here still. It's pretty cold out. It's just a winter wonderland right now. Everything is so glassy looking. Our pine is just like bent over. That used to be up on top. That's the top. Yep, now that's the top. It's bent in half. Whoa. Lots of noises out here. It just looks like a winter wonderland. I don't know. It's pretty freaking cool. It's cool now that we got the power on. It was really scary, guys. Really scary. Just look at the icicles. Wow. Everything is just ice. It just looks like a sheet of glass. I see it. It's doing something.
That'll be a good sign.
Hopefully. Oh, I hope these trees bounce back. Another tree fell down here. That's a new one. Everything is creaking and crackling. I don't know if you guys can hear it. I've never seen anything like this. Ever. It's just a big icicle everywhere. You hear that? It sounds like stuff's falling. Better get out. Ah! Josh sitting under the tree next to the heater. He's pretty smart.
Time will tell, huh?
Yeah.
I really would love this thing to just rubber band back up, you know?
I agree.
What else we gotta do today, Jane?
We gotta get some feed.
Pig feed.
We gotta get to the grocery store maybe.
Yep. Nope.
No?
Yep.
Sugar? I guess
Nope.
you're fine with brown sugar. Maybe not. Maybe just gas station.
Brown sugar!
Maybe just the gas station and the co-op for food for sure.
Things are still falling pretty good around here.
We just had this tree down right there. Look at that's a new one that came down.
Oh shoot, yeah.
That was sometime between last night and now before we went out last night.
We got some work to do, Sally.
Yeah. Lots of cleanup. Lots of cleanup, guys. Got a couple pastures that have nothing but tree branches down. Looks like our pastures got grass, but really it's just pines down everywhere.
Come on, baby. Alright, I'll put that thing about that, Jason.
Okay. We're gonna go warm up again.
Yes, ma'am.
My fingers are ice.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Hi, Bobo.
Come on, baby, light my fire.
46. Trying to save our favorite trees, guys. Dave's got the heater on it now that we don't need it for inside. Trying to get the fire going. The wind's blowing in the right direction to our favorite tree. Hoping to get it to melt so it pops back up. I don't know if we'll ever see this again, but this is wild. Poor plum tree. Watch out, stuff's falling like crazy. You want more cardboard?
Sure.
All right, I'll be right back. Burn, baby, burn. Come on, baby, light my fire.
Warm, baby, warm. You know?
Right. I hope we get the moment it starts to go up.
I thought I saw it already moving it.
That's awesome.
This is tree health right here. We're working on our tree health, y'all.
Wow, the house is warming up. Maybe you're heating the top too somehow. Whoa, that bounced up.
You like that movement, huh?
Yeah.
Hell yeah. Look at the rain coming down underneath that.
Yeah, and like from back here too, it's starting to fall. Like I'm getting hit in my nose and stuff. My nose. The fire pit is warmer than the house.
Yeah, it's warming up in there still.
So we're gonna need another box. I'm gonna go find another one. Yep.
It was wet.
Yeah. Right. We're trying to dry it off. I'm gonna go look inside for some more boxes.
Work it, baby.
Yep. See anything I can find. We gotta get this tree up. Gotta know where to park up here. Come on, baby, light my fire.
Thank you, darling.
You're welcome. There's a few more. Oh, there's it. Wow. Whoa.
Don't need that part.
Muscle man. Whoa. Crazy, guys. Look at this caption he's got going on. We gotta get to be able to park up here, guys.
I need to get some Girl Scout juice.
Yeah, right? Wow, guys. Everyone was like, I'm out of here. Looks like it's snowing from all the ice falling. That's an ice cube in there. It's going again. I see flameage. It's trying very hard. Jeez. Come on, baby. Whoa. That looked like it split it, but it didn't fall apart. It did. That's wild. That's a tough one.
That's it like that. What am I supposed to do with that?
I don't know.
Well, I can tell
Trying to set the wood on fire. Listen to that noise, guys.
Come on, baby, do something. Our tree's draining right down into our fire pit.
Yeah, it is. The rocks might hold it back, though. Fire. That branch is kind of sad. It's kind of stuck too. Cookies.
Coming out of there?
No, I mean, yeah, it's looking good. I was going to try and take that branch down, but I don't know. It's kind of like stuck, so I didn't touch it. I barely touched it to see what we were working with. Move it back more. Move the heater back more, and it might shoot out and go up. See? It's a little bit better. The more back I feel, the more it'll rise in that area. Oh. Yeah, you're right. A bucket. The dog dish. Down here?
Yeah.
The dirty one? That looks better. You can see it. Wait, the wind blowing it now. Yeah.
There's a lot more too, but.
Smile for me, boo-boo.